Easy hauling gives their information in a chart. Happy hauling gives their information in the graph. And they're both proportional relationships because if you don't order any dirt from them, you don't have to pay them any money. So we can figure out how much 40 cubic yards costs from either company by using some information that's there. So I'm going to start with the easy hauling. And since we have a multiple that will get us to 40 in 20, we know that we can get from 20 to 40 by multiplying by 2. So since 20 times 2 is 40, we can do the same thing to the cost, and we can say 490 times 2 is 980. So it's going to cost $980 to get 40 cubic yards from easy hauling. Then we can take a look at our graph and notice that 2 cubic yards costs $50. Well, we can get from 2 to 40 by multiplying by 20. And so then we can do the same thing by multiplying 50 times 20, and that will give us, whoops, that's supposed to be a 0. $1,000 is what Happy Hauling is going to charge us.